Making Fortnite maps is seriously the easiest way to get rich quick in the modern age of business and making money online. Because if you guys are looking at my screen, this game was only posted 1 month ago and it's already made $369,000. So we have all of these Fortnite maps. How are people making so much money? Well, that is exactly what I'm going to explain to you guys inside of this video. Because Epic Games gives out 40% of their monthly recurring revenue, which is $500 million a month, guys, to the top people inside of the space. This video is going to be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. So without further ado, let me show you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need to make money online making maps yourselves, and as well, why making Fortnite maps is the new easiest get rich quick out there for anyone trying to make money online or starting a business. Let's get right into it. So if you guys look here, Disney acquired Epic Games for $2.1 billion, mind you, last year. And this was to create the Metaverse expansion inside of Fortnite and bring literally anything possible to life in Fortnite map making and UEFN. So the pretty much reason on why this actually happened is because Epic Games saw a vision in Disney and Disney saw a vision in Epic Games. Two companies can't coexist both competing at each other. Epic Games is clear tell on what they're trying to do. They're trying to copy Roblox and all of these digital platform games to build a Metaverse expansion inside of Fortnite. Now, what does that propose? What does that mean? A lot of people don't entirely know. Only time will tell, okay? So with that out of the way, how does one actually make a Fortnite map? Well, what I want you guys to do is head on over to Google and search up Fortnite Epic Games Launcher. This is going to allow you to actually download Fortnite in the Epic Games Launcher and allow you to actually access UEFN to start building your own games and making money online. So as soon as you guys have actually downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, you guys can go ahead and search up Fortnite, okay? I know a lot of you guys probably already have it on your consoles, machines, Xbox, Nintendo, whatever. You most definitely need to install it, okay? So once you have downloaded Fortnite, the next thing you need to install is the Unreal Editor, okay? So pretty much the Unreal Editor for Fortnite allows you to actually build these Metaverse games inside of Fortnite, which is why people are making thousands and millions of dollars a year making games. So now that you've downloaded both necessities and required features to actually get started making games, you guys definitely need to grab the free code that we're going to be using throughout this tutorial that will show you guys how to actually build games and capitalize and make thousands of dollars a month. So all we have to do is go ahead and go to my Discord server and we're going to download the Game Manager. This is going to allow you to fully customize your worlds and experiences when you're actually making games. And now we can go ahead and safely launch UEFN. You don't have to worry because the Discord is completely free in the link in the description of this video. So as soon as we're loaded into UEFN, what I want you guys to do is go to Island Templates and load a flat XL grid island. You guys can call this whatever you want. I'm just going to leave the default naming and go ahead and press create. Now, once you're loaded inside of your XL grid island, with the code copy and pasted from my Discord server, all we have to do is just copy and paste and put it inside of Verse, which is very, very easy to do, okay? All we have to do is go to Verse right here and copy and paste the code. It is not a full requirement, but it is essential to learning the fundamentals and elements of UEFN to help you get started. Because if you guys are looking to move around in UEFN, WASD, and you guys can toggle your camera speed, which will allow you to move a lot more faster. Because I know a lot of you guys are having tough times inside of UEFN and actually building games. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you a bare basic tutorial on how to actually get started and navigate what you're actually looking at and seeing. First off, this is the outliner. This is all of the features and elements that are inside of your world. For example, if I go to the content drawer here, the content drawer pretty much allows you to access all of the files inside of Fortnite and drag out whatever you want, just like these devices right here. Okay, so if we go here, here is the island settings. We can go ahead and drag this out. This is like the customizations where when you kill someone, you get siphoned. You can add all the health modulators. It is fully functional for everyone. All right, hope that explains a lot. And pretty much what we're doing is dragging it up and down with these arrow keys. So if you guys look here, let's just say we didn't have the island settings device here. All we have to do is search up island, and it's exactly right here. Okay, so this is pretty much like your search tool to find the stuff that you've put down in the map, because a lot of the times you will need to hide stuff under the map. And here we have the camera of where it's actually angled. If you look at the bottom right here, as soon as I actually move it up and down, it is showing the perspective of the device to show you it is not lost, it is more than found, and you can find it wherever you are. Okay, so right now I'm about to load into my own custom island that I built myself, handcrafted, so you guys can replicate and emulate the same success. And obviously, these games are listed for literally $15 on my Patreon, where it's literally 25 games for only $15. But I want to show you guys how you guys can go inside of UEFN and Fortnite and replicate the exact game. Because if you guys look here, we have custom backgrounds, we have reload weapons, crosshairs, custom music, game speed, FOV changer, first person. How is this actually made? How can you guys do the same? All right, because even if we go on Fortnite GG, we know that people are making millions and millions of dollars. But what are they actually building? Well, we know that it's the 1v1 games. That is the most popular genre in the entirety of Fortnite, because it's super competitive and action-packed and fast-paced. Well, that sounds all good to me, Davey, but how do I actually get innovative ideas? Like, we see all these genres of games here. They seem pretty basic to me. It looks like these are not really hard to do. That's what you guys might think. But how are people getting ahead of the curve and not only making more money online, but indeed innovating the space and genre of map making, what it stands to be, and crushing their competitors in their path? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you, because if you guys go into ChatGPT, this is the baby mama of how to get brilliant Fortnite map ideas inside of your games to capitalize and make money online making Fortnite maps. So pretty much all you guys have to do to get genius and unexplainable amazing ideas is search up key 3 elements that you enjoyed and were satisfied to do as a kid. So for me, this is what I'll ask. Create me similar Fortnite maps around Skylanders, basketball, and soccer. These are the 3 things that I used to play. And you also want to highlight the key feelings when you're actually making the games, because these are the exact perceptions and feelings that kids will have when they're playing your games, because they're young. You guys got to remember that we're creating games for younger people, and we're literally creating and forming their childhood and future identity when they become an adult. So all you guys have to do is search up create me similar games to whatever genres or ideas that you guys like, and base it off of Fortnite maps that are popular today. And as soon as you press enter, this is exactly where the magic happens, because if you guys are looking at my screen, here are 3 Fortnite map ideas based on Skylanders, basketball, and soccer, while incorporating elements that are popular and trendy in Fortnite today. So here we have the first one, Skylanders inspired adventure map. PvE, PvP Skylanders adventure with elemental islands, fire, earth, water, air, mixed with tilted towers and puzzles and elements and AI bosses, and the last survivor wins the game. And Sky Stadium, where it's a fast-paced futuristic basketball game where players can power up an ability and dunk on their opponents. And the trending inspiration is from Octane Racing, like Rocket League, because obviously Rocket League got acquired by Epic Games and they sold their business and company. So it's very fascinating what you guys can actually do with map making, because if you guys are looking here, we can jump through all of the collections and genres. Like, nobody's even playing these Fall Guys games. They're doing terrible. Yet this game right here that only averages 100 players a day is making $7,000 a month for only averaging 100 players a day, guys. 100 players. That is monumentally insane. And that's why I'm making millions of dollars for my clients inside of the space making games, which is why you guys definitely need to purchase the Patreon in the link in the description to get started making games. It's literally $15 for 25 custom games that you guys can repost and make thousands and thousands of dollars a month. Because if you guys are looking here, there's 1.9 million people playing Fortnite, almost 2 million. And in the last 24 hours, there was 3 million, and they peaked around 14 million 2 months ago with the Juice WRLD live event, which was phenomenal and amazing. And if we come over here, there's only 41,000 people making games, and that's all because of me. I've generated at least 30,000 people inside of the industry. I'm number 1 in the entirety of the space on YouTube, and there's 12 people that's made $10 million. I know majority of the people that have made that money. I've helped them. And it's kind of insane the impact that I can have on millions of people. You know, 11 people have made $3 million. That could be you. I want you to use this video as motivation and join the Discord, get the Patreon, get yourself started. Okay? Because there is cost to this. It's either your time or it's money helping you make games. That is a sacrifice. It's months on end getting nowhere. Or you can shortcut the process and join my community and have thousands and thousands of people help you make games, because that's all I'm trying to do. That's why this video was kind of clean cut, barely any editing on this video, because I'm trying to speak to you, right? I want this to be the biggest business. I am going to make it the biggest business. I have a software company that's going to be $1 billion business. We're selling that to Epic Games, and that allows you to build full custom games with AI. It's insane what we can all do together when we stand together and unite and become the best of the best with our capabilities, our thoughts, beliefs, actions, habits, everything. We can do it. All right, I believe in you. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know your thoughts down below. Join the Discord, get the Patreon, click the top video that's on your screen right now. It's an amazing content piece of work that will help you get started. Businesses and sponsorships, you can reach out down below. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'm out. Peace. Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make money online making brain rot Fortnite map. No, you heard me correctly. Brain rot Fortnite maps. If you guys are looking at my screen, this map right here has made over $585,000 in just a span of 90 days. And it's literally a stupid brain rot Fortnite map that kids can play. Who would have thought you could make that much money online making Fortnite map? Which is why today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need to achieve the same success at the palm of your fingertips right at home watching this video. I've made hundreds and thousands of dollars respectively on my own personal accounts, and today I'm going to walk you guys down the exact necessary steps. And of course guys, join the Discord to claim your free pre-made map. I give hundreds of maps out a day. You guys can literally just pick and choose and start posting maps instantly with no headache, no required experience. You can literally just post the maps and make thousands of dollars a month with these pre-made Fortnite maps. Join the Discord right now in the link in the description. And of course guys, if you want to work with me one-on-one, you guys can apply to work with me down in the description and join the Fort Mafia inner circle, where you get to connect with 6 to 7-figure map creators, master UEFN and verse coding. There's hundreds and hundreds of people inside changing their life, making generational wealth online, making Fortnite maps, and I can't wait to have you guys a part of this and inside of the program. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so Davey, you just yapped your ass off in the intro. How do I actually get started making maps? Well, this is all you guys have to do. Go ahead, go onto Google and search up Epic Games Launcher. Click the first top link right here that says download the Epic Games Launcher and go ahead and sign into your Epic Games account and press download. That's all you have to do to actually get started making maps. And little side note, you don't have to do this, but literally join the Discord. It's completely free and you get a free pre-made map for every single person who joins the Discord that you can literally just post and instantly start making money at the palm of your fingertips. Because I know it's super stressful learning something new for the first time. So it's really good for you guys to have a map and the bare basics to learn off of and innovate and have your own maps of your own. But anyways, once you guys have downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, go ahead and download UEFN and Fortnite, obviously. The UEFN is spelled like this: Unreal Editor for Fortnite. This is exactly what it looks like, okay? Like I said, guys, this video is completely raw, okay? There's going to be pauses, there's going to be interruptions, there's going to be stutters. Now what I want you guys to do is load on into Fortnite GG. This is a website, this is a software that tracks the estimates and the growth and revenue of the actual Fortnite map ecosystem. If you guys are looking at my screen here, I just talked to this guy today. His name's Farron's, 50,000 players, and just this month, guys, $217,000 in the month of July. That is insane. Mind you guys, he only posted this map 10 days ago. So in 10 days, he has made over $200,000, which is $20,000 a day, okay? And I've helped various people in these cases, help them get from point A to point B, which is what I'm doing for you guys right now. Because most of you guys have questions that are super unanswered, like, where do I start making maps? Do I have to learn coding? What are the age requirements? Let me answer them all right now, okay? Let me show you. So to answer all of you guys' questions, all you have to do is go to Google and search up Fortnite Creator Portal. This is going to show you guys the entire details of the actual island program. How do I actually start making games? Well, this is what you're going to be doing, okay? Like I showed you guys in the beginning of the video, this is how you guys actually access your maps when you actually build your world, which obviously I'll show you guys how to do in this video, so you're good to go. But essentially, you do have to be 18 years of age to actually start making maps. You know what's funny is that I was actually talking to a guy who's 15 and he wanted to start making maps, and he literally told me that he'd rather just wait, which is stupid. Because look at the money that's being made, guys. Thousands and millions of dollars a day. You have to capitalize now before it's too late. This is a gold mine, and I'm making it the biggest business of all time, making millions of dollars for everyone per month with celebrities, athletes, actors. I'm making this the biggest mainstream business of all time, and I'm glad you're finally capped in and you're finally knowledgeable of the business of making maps. I'm trying to put you on. I'm trying to put the whole world on. I'm going to have 100 million people doing this by the end of next year, but I'm going to stop yapping now. Once you guys have downloaded UEFN, hopefully you guys are downloading it while you're watching this video. Hope so. But anyways, what I want you guys to do is go ahead and launch UEFN. I'm going to launch it with you guys and give you guys a bare bone basics tutorial on how to actually navigate and manage everything. Because I know at the start, it's a little tricky, especially when you're learning something new for the first time, you know? And that's how you guys know this video is unedited, because the time says 7:01 p.m. right? And I'm making thousands of dollars a month for my students, for my clients, and myself. And I have my own maps that you guys can play. Just search up Davy and you guys can see all the maps. I'll show them on screen in a second as well, or I'll put them in the description of this video. You guys can play them. The reason why I like mentoring and helping people more is because it's more impactful. It's kind of common sense, right? I mean, as a businessman and a content creator, you want to be providing value the most that you can. And I don't really get a lot of fulfillment in making games for kids per se. I get more fulfillment in mentoring and coaching because there's more passion and purpose behind that. But obviously the money is good, and that's why I do that. You know, I love making hundreds and thousands of dollars per month for everyone inside of the space of making maps. And obviously I'm taking revenue shares from hundreds of maps, hundreds of creators, while making my own maps. I have a cool creative collab dropping with a very popular streamer, which you guys will see in July sometime, and it will probably blow your socks off, okay? But anyways, what I want to show you guys is exactly how to actually get started making maps. If you guys go to the Excel grid island here, this is essentially a flat surface area where you guys can essentially get started. Okay, so once you're downloaded UEFN, hopefully you guys already have. Also, a lot of you guys say, hey, you talk too fast in your videos. I mean, I'm just trying to be authentic and, you know, raw, I guess, right? But you guys can literally kind of call it you guys can literally call it whatever you want. I kind of actually spoiled the collaboration of who I'm doing it for. But anyways, it's going to blow up. It's going to make millions of dollars, you know, but it's whatever. It's not really about the money. It's about the impact that you're having on kids. You guys got to remember that we're literally building games for childhood kids, bro. We're building their childhoods. I know I said that backwards, but you guys know what I'm saying, okay? I'm here to help you. Let's get started, okay? So we're loading into the Excel grid island. Let me show you guys exactly what you need to do. Okay, so we're loaded in. If you guys want to look around and move around, hold right click on your computer and move WASD. If you want to change your camera speed, This is all you have to do. Use the toggle here, which is right here, guys, and you guys can move around a little bit more faster. Right here, we have the content drawer. This is where Fortnite stores all of your assets when you're importing something. For example, let's just say I go onto my computer right now, I go to downloads, and let's say I want to import a PNG, okay? Picture of myself, okay? Well, I can. There's the image right there. But if we go to the all folder right here, this is essentially all of the components and factors that are inside of Fortnite. For example, visual effects. We have HUDs, HUDs, layouts, okay? But also, we have characters that we can actually drag out and play with and mess around with. Also, there's audio and environment. For example, watch. Physical materials. You can actually drag out materials. For example, I'll bring out a wall right now, okay? So go to Fortnite, let's go to galleries, let's go to customizable, and let's drag out this little playground here. Here we go, trees. Look at that, right? And obviously we can rotate these, we can move these left and right, and we can click Shift E to select if there's any highlighted trees here. For obviously there isn't, so these are all individual. But for example, right here, we can actually move it up and down, left and right, yada, yada, yada. You guys get the picture. So now heading back into the Discord, which you guys can literally join in the link in the description, top link for completely free. These are essentially the maps that you guys can literally choose from and make thousands of dollars a month. So all you have to do is join the Discord and you get access to all of these maps. You can pick one map per selection, okay? Send me a message in my Discord to join the mentorship program, pick a map that you want to get started to make money, because this is seriously going to help you guys. And now once you've done that, once you have your map, and you've posted it, go to the market yourself section in my Discord. This is where thousands of people per day market their maps in their Discord to actually self-market themselves, because I know a lot of you guys suck at advertising, like this guy here, King of the Hill, Orcus King of the Hill. He just posted this brand new Fortnite map today, and he's in last place. 197,000 maps have more players than him right now. Orca, I know you're watching this video. I believe in you, okay? But this thumbnail is not going to cut it. You guys need to join the mentorship program, because there's so many maps here. Like, you can just look on the list, guys. There's thousands of maps that are just unanswered, that are never going to get players, and it's sad to see. Like, you don't want to be getting only 200 players. You want to be getting millions like Fortnite is themselves. You guys know that there's only 46,000 people making maps. I've inspired 26,000 people. Half of the whole market that is inside of Fortnite is all because of me. Because I'm bringing people into the space, inspiring them to get started making maps, because they see the large pool of money being made, right? And I'm taking revenue share from all of the 368,000 maps that are inside of the space. I'm creating a whole monopoly, right? And I have a billion-dollar company called Versify that literally automates the entire process and does the coding, visual effects, thumbnails, all of the processes of making maps. So it's really cool stuff. Like, it's very fun to do. And I need you guys to be getting started with this. Hopefully this inspired you. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any comments, suggestions, and concerns. Of course, guys, join the Discord in the link in the description. Click the last video on the screen, businesses and sponsorships. You can reach out down below. I'm done yapping, I'm done bragging. I'm here to make you guys rich and wealthy and successful like myself. We're all going to retire our parents this year, and I believe in you guys, okay? If you believe, you can achieve. I love you guys all so much. Click the last video on the screen. It's been your boy Davey, Davy Davis. I'm out. Peace.